it's Wendy Jean here. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome. Today on my channel, I'm going to be unboxing my April Ipsy. And let's see what's inside. I get the Glam bag, and the Glam bag is $12 a month, and you get up to $50 worth of deluxe size products. Sometimes you'll get a full size product, and you get to pick one of the items in the bag. They also have a Glam Bag Plus, and that is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And then every 3 months, they have a Glam Bag X, Glam Bag X, and you get 7 to 8 products in that. And so let's see what I have. And this is the bag this month. It is kind of like a canvas material. It's very colorful, has cute little lips, and those lips are on here, on the pull. And let's see. And it says Force of Nature in the inside, and it's red. And you always get a product card, and on the card it always tells you about the product on the inside. I know on the Glam Bag X, the Glam Bag Plus, sorry, they don't tell you. You have to go online and look. So it says here, April 2021, Force of Nature. And it says, whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Get this month's theme and it has ipsy.com/force of nature. So let's see. This month it's not on here. I don't know why it's not on here, because they always tell you what's in your thing, in your bag. And it just tells you that. It just says this time. 5 skin-friendly superfoods. I've seen other people open it and it had info on it. Let me go quick online and see. I got my computer here anyways. I'm gonna have to email them and see if I got the wrong card in mine or what the deal is. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's see what's in here. First thing I got is by First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. And let's see what it says about it, since it's not on the card this time, which is weird. There's 10 of them in here. 10 of them in here. It's deluxe sample. It says what it does: the perfect everyday exfoliator. These gentle peel pads are soaked with lactic and glycolic acids to remove dead skin cells, smooth fine lines and uneven texture, and brighten your overall skin tone. So that's nice. And let's see what else I got. Oh, let's see. I got a little thing in a bag. Let's see what this is. It is a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow by Oriza Beauty. That's what it looks like. Oh, I just noticed it has on the back, it has the colors. Let me open it. And let's read about this. Sorry about this. Like I said, it's not on the card. Okay, this is a full size. That's kind of little for a full size. It's worth $20, it says. And meet your perfect palette for day, night, and every moment in between. This versatile eyeshadow palette has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each shade has a soft buttery feel and strong color payoff. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. That's very pretty. So 3 of them are like metallic-y. So let's see what they look like. Ooh, this is the first one. That was this one. That one you can't see as much. That was this one. And there's that one. That one's pretty. That was this one. And now the one that's not shimmery. Right there. So that's pretty. I can't believe this thing is worth $20. This palette's worth $20. But it's a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow palette. So let's see what else I got. Gold Fatten MD, and it's a hands to heart. It looks like it's a hand cream. Let's read. This is what it looks like. And let's see what it says. This one says it is, oh, wrong one. Sorry about this. Okay, here it is. This is a deluxe size sample, and it's hands to heart anti-aging plus brightening hand treatment. It says there's nothing worse than hand creams that leave you feeling greasy, which is why we love this, how fast this cream soaks into the skin. It uses hyaluronic acid to hydrate and a combo of niacinamide and glucosamine and retinol to diminish dark spots and marks for brighter, even-toned skin. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not gonna be able to get it right now, but has one of these tubes, safety seals on the tube, so that's okay. So it's just a cream. Let's see what else I got in my bag. Well, this was my pick because you got to pick one a month, and I picked, let me get it. And this is a deluxe size sample, and it is Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Honey Rider. It says this full coverage high pigment crayon coats lips in pretty peach color that stays fresh and vibrant from your morning coffee to after work cocktails. And the creamy texture. It dries down to a soft matte finish that won't cake, crease, or dehydrate your lips during the day. And this, let's take this off. This was my pick. And this is a deluxe size sample also. And this is what this looks like. And let's put the, just show you what the color is. Ooh, pretty. It's very pretty. And it glided on really nicely. So that's a lip crayon. And there's one more thing inside the bag. And that's, here, let me get it. Bring it up so I can read it. It's by Verify Skincare. It's the 2020 Eye Cream. I don't know if you can see that. And it's a deluxe size sample. It says, this do-it-all eye cream uses a cocktail of hydrating, firming, and brightening ingredients like niacinamide, I can't pronounce it, and peptides to minimize dark circles, soft lines, and smooth, rough texture. So that's what I got this month in my bag. I got the eye cream. I got the facial radiance pads. I got the hand treatment cream. I got the lip crayon. And I got the palette. The contour and shimmer, nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow palette. So that's what I got. And this, you know, this is a $12 bag, and this alone was $20. So it's well worth it. Plus you get the bag to keep it all in too, so. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming. And yeah, I'm gonna have to call them and see why it didn't have my information on the card. So sorry about that. Till next time, bye.